Switching to electric, especially with induction and cooking, are more efficient and often cheaper to operate in the long run. And they also eliminate risks like carbon monoxide leaks or open flames in your home. Induction ranges are basically ranges that don't require any gas. They're fully electric. A lot of induction ranges require a certain type of pan as well, so it can have that magnetic connection on the top, which also helps with safety. It won't stay on if it doesn't set a pan on top. Typically, you would install it in your kitchen, and it would replace your gas range. And by doing that, we would have to bring wire from your electrical panel to the location of your induction range. So we'd run typically what's called a 6-3 wire. We'd bring that over and put it into a receptacle behind your range in a spot where your range is able to slide back safely. And then once your new range gets delivered or brought to your house, you're able to just plug it in and it works just that fast.